Hey there, welcome back. Today we'll continue working on the Transit Connect. We'll be fixing the fuel pump. I got the replacement fuel pump and a few other things that I'll try to get it up and running, and then do more stuff, whatever I'll have time for right now. So let's get to work. Alright, so here's the replacement fuel pump. Got it with the extra line, which I'm gonna remove it and just use the line that I have on here, so I don't have to route it and I'll mess with it there. So, okay, fuel pump is on. Now let's get the air box in. All right, let's see if we could start it up and make it drivable. All right, we got movement, so it goes in reverse, so that's good. So now I'll tell the windshield guy to come and get the windshield done, because it's supposed to rain tomorrow and he needs it to be inside. So that's good news. hood is in, but the fender's out, so gotta push the whole, well, not the whole though, just this upper bracket on that side, push it in and align everything else. So I thought we're good to go, but fitting over there and the oil cooler is broken off, and oil is coming out from the tranny, so I gotta find something to fit in there so the oil will not be coming out, so I could move it. So I'll do that off camera, try to figure something out. So it started raining, had to move in indoors, and I have the van here behind me indoors. Gonna get the fender off right there, the fender off. Gonna get that fixed up. I did a little bit of fixing here, so gonna made it look almost straight. So I'll have the windshield guys come out here shortly and get the windshield replaced. So that will get done today. The fender will be off, and hopefully get all this fixed up here. So I'll get the fender back, the new fender back on, and reassemble some of the stuff here. So I got the fender off. Forgot to hit the record button, so don't have video on that, but yeah, the fender's off. This piece is ripped off, but it's typical, they rip a lot of times. Gonna do a little more pulling on this. I'll get a strap and just pull it. It needs to be pulled just a little bit, so So it's somewhat straight now. Gonna test fit the fender and see how it fits. Yep, looking good. This side is sitting too far back. That's looking good.